Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your AOL Mail. So if you want to log into your AOL Mail account, first of all open up your browser, any browser you like. So I'm using my Chrome browser, and after opening your browser, search for AOL Mail. And after searching for AOL Mail, you will find the first link. Tap on that link, and after tapping on that link, in first blank you have to enter your username, email address or mobile number. So I would like to use my username. After entering your username, tap on next, and after tapping on next you have to enter your password. After entering your password, again tap on next, and after tapping on next you have successfully entered to your AOL Mail account. So this is how you log into your AOL Mail. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.